travel expert, and I get asked all the time how I travel with just a carry-on. So today I'm going to share some of my secret tips so you can do the same thing. One of the first things to consider is your actual luggage. You want to look for something that is super lightweight because weight always factors into carry-ons, and you want to do something that has a lot of storage space. So I love this TravelPro Platinum Elite collection because it's very lightweight and it has all of these great compartments to store your items. Being organized is the secret to packing a carry-on only. My next tip will really change the way you pack. You need to start using packing cubes. These are a travel lifesaver for me when it comes to carry-on packing. You can squeeze so many extra items in here. It zips up really nice and tightly, and it's super organized. Another key or secret that I've learned from all of my travels is to roll your clothing instead of packing everything flat. I've tried both options on so many different trips, and I always find that rolling my clothing allows me to pack in even more, so I have lots of options when I get to my destination. When you are rolling your clothing, you want to make sure that you roll it up as tight as possible. This means that you'll get more clothing into your suitcase, but it also means that you'll have less wrinkles once you get there. Another great tip is to iron everything before you start rolling and roll it on a hard, flat surface. This will make sure that it gets even tighter and you can fit in more items. One of the biggest questions I always get asked when it comes to packing a carry-on is, what do I do about the shoe situation? And there's no easy way around it except to say that you really need to limit the number of shoes that you take with you. So wear your biggest shoes, whether those are your sneakers or your boots, on the plane so they don't take up any space in your luggage. Think about taking only one pair of heels that you really love that will go with everything, and then fill the rest in with flats and sandals that can go from day to night. Some of these tips will help you out on your next trip. You can always follow along with my adventures at Jen Weatherhead or at TravelStyle.CA on Instagram. And I'd like to thank the Hazelton Hotel here in Toronto for letting me use this beautiful room to film all of my packing